Imagine waking up in the year 2033. What does healthcare look like? Are there robots involved? Have we finally found a cure for the common cold, or are we just treating it with more vitamin C? Let's take a moment to ponder over this. Think about how far we've come in the last 10 years. From smartphones to smart homes, technology has intertwined itself into the very fabric of our lives. But what about our health? Are we future-proofing it with the same zeal? In the next 10 years, we can expect technology to have a significant impact on healthcare. It's not just about the shiny new gadgets and gizmos, but a fundamental shift in how we approach health and wellness. The future of healthcare is not just about treating illness, it's about preventing it. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one such technology that's set to revolutionize healthcare. It's not about robot doctors or nurses, but rather AI can help us understand and predict health trends, diagnose diseases earlier, and even provide personalized treatment plans. It's like having a super smart health buddy who's always got your back. Telemedicine is another area where we're seeing significant strides. No more waiting rooms, no more travel, just you, your device, and your doctor interacting in real time. It's healthcare on your terms, when and where you need it. And let's not forget about wearable technology. These devices are not just fitness trackers anymore. They're becoming sophisticated health monitors, capable of tracking everything from your heart rate to your sleep patterns. It's like having a mini checkup every day, without stepping foot in a clinic. So, are there robots in the future of healthcare? Maybe, but it's more than just that. It's about leveraging technology to make healthcare more accessible, more personalized, and more proactive. Robots might not be delivering our babies just yet, but buckle up, because the healthcare revolution is just around the corner. No, it's not the latest Marvel superhero, but Dr. AI might just be the hero we need in healthcare. Now let's take a moment to ponder. What if I told you, in the not-so-distant future, your medical diagnosis won't be coming from a human doctor, but from a machine? Yes, you heard it right, a machine. Not the kind that gives you a fizzy drink when you put coins in, but the kind that can analyze your health data faster than you can say aspirin. Artificial intelligence, or as I like to call it, Dr. AI, is set to revolutionize the way we approach healthcare. From diagnostics to treatment recommendations and even patient management, AI is stepping up to the plate. And no, it won't be wearing a white coat and stethoscope. Imagine a world where your AI doctor can scan your body, interpret your symptoms, and prescribe the best course of treatment, all while you're sipping your morning coffee. No more waiting rooms filled with old magazines from the 90s or trying to explain your symptoms to a doctor who's already late for their next appointment. But wait, there's more. Dr. AI doesn't just stop at diagnostics. It can also manage patient care, monitor your health in real time, and alert you if something's amiss. It's like having a personal health assistant that never sleeps, never eats, and never takes a vacation. Now that's commitment. And don't worry, it's not all about cold, hard logic. AI systems are being designed to understand the nuances of human emotion and behavior, so they'll know when to offer a comforting word or two. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what about the human touch? Well, as much as we appreciate the dedication and care provided by our human doctors, there's one thing we can all agree on. And the best part about Dr. AI? It doesn't have cold hands. You've heard of house calls, but what about screen calls? Telemedicine is changing the way we see our doctors, literally. Picture this. You're feeling a little off, perhaps a bit of a sniffle or a suspicious rash. Instead of dragging yourself out of bed, braving traffic and sitting in a waiting room full of other sick people, you grab your laptop. A few clicks later, your doctor is right there on your screen, ready to consult with you. This, my friends, is telemedicine, and it's transforming healthcare as we know it. Telemedicine allows medical professionals to evaluate, diagnose, and treat patients remotely using technology. It's like having a doctor's clinic in your living room, minus the sterile smell and outdated magazines. And it's not just for common colds or skin conditions. Even mental health consultations are becoming increasingly common over video calls. Now I can hear some of you saying, but what about the stethoscope, the blood pressure cuff, the thermometer? Well, fear not. Modern technology has got us covered. There are now digital versions of these tools that can send accurate readings directly to your doctor. It's like having a mini medical lab at home. And let's not forget about access. Telemedicine could be the key to bringing healthcare to remote corners of the world, where the nearest doctor might be miles away. Imagine the possibilities. A consultation with a world-renowned specialist could be just a video call away, no matter where you live. Of course, there are some misconceptions to clear up. Some folks worry they'll miss the human touch, the comforting pat on the shoulder from their doctor. But let's be honest, most of us would trade that for the convenience of not leaving our bed when we're feeling poorly. Telemedicine is not a replacement for traditional healthcare. It's an enhancement, a new tool in our healthcare toolkit. It won't replace emergency room visits or surgeries, but it can make routine checkups and follow-ups a whole lot easier. So next time you're feeling under the weather, remember, the doctor is just a click away. Smartwatches, fitness trackers, health apps, our health is becoming as accessible as our social media profiles. Yes, you heard it right. We're not just wearing our hearts on our sleeves anymore, we're wearing our entire health report on our wrists. Now let's take a minute to appreciate the rise of wearable health tech. It's like having a tiny, non-judgmental doctor strapped to your wrist, constantly reminding you to move, sleep, and even breathe. Imagine a device that's more concerned about your well-being than your mother-in-law. These nifty devices are not just about counting steps or monitoring sleep. They're about real-time health monitoring, which could revolutionize preventative medicine. Picture this. You're out for a jog. Your heart rate spikes abnormally, and your smartwatch immediately alerts you. Before you can even Google your symptoms, your wearable has already sent a notification to your doctor. Now, if that isn't a step into the future, I don't know what is, but it's not all serious. There's a fun side to this tech too. Remember the time you tried to cheat your fitness tracker by shaking your wrist to hit your daily step goal? Or when you wore your tracker to bed only to be told you're a restless sleeper? Ah, the joys of modern technology. And let's not forget the social aspect. Nothing quite beats the satisfaction of outstepping your friends in a step challenge, or the sheer panic when you realize you're lagging behind. It's the 21st century equivalent of playground bragging rights. But beyond the fun, these devices could potentially help us catch health issues before they become serious. They're teaching us to listen to our bodies and take proactive steps towards better health. It's not about chasing a magic number, it's about understanding our bodies and making healthier choices. So next time you glance at your smartwatch, remember it's not just a fancy gadget, it's a health companion, a motivator, a silent cheerleader, and potentially a lifesaver. Who knew that counting steps could step us into the future of healthcare? So, will the future of healthcare be a mystery or simply history repeating itself with a techie twist? As we've journeyed through this exploration, we've seen some dazzling possibilities. We've envisioned a future where our health is future-proof, with algorithms and artificial intelligence playing the role of our personal physician. We've imagined a world where seeing your doctor could be as simple as opening your laptop. Video calls, once the realm of sci-fi, are now a reality. We've envisaged a future where our health is literally woven into the fabric of our lives, with wearable technology monitoring our vitals and alerting us to potential issues. But is this a brave new world, or simply history repeating itself in a new tech-savvy guise? Remember the days of house calls, when your doctor knew you and your family and personalized care was the norm, not the exception. Technology could be bringing us full circle, back to those days of personalized, intimate care. Only this time, the house call comes via your laptop or wearable device. The future of healthcare may seem like uncharted territory, but perhaps it's just history coming around again, dressed in a shiny new suit of technological innovation. The tools may change, but the goal remains the same, keeping us healthy. But what do you think? Are we stepping into the unknown, or is this a familiar path, just with a digital makeover? We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you've enjoyed this voyage into the future of health, why not subscribe for more? We'll be delving into more fascinating topics, exploring the mysteries of our future, and perhaps even solving a few. The future might not be written, but one thing's for sure, healthcare is getting a major upgrade. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and remember, the future is in your hands, or on your wrist, or in your virtual doctor's hands. It's definitely somewhere around there.